I request Buddha Tsongkhapa to bless this child to have the mind to pursue the 3 principal paths, Lamrim, the higher tantras, and to gain full liberation. Migme Tebe, Tejin Chenezi, Jimmy Kembe, Ombojam, Duvoma Yu, Jomse Samwe Da, Ganjin Kebe, Zujin Tsongkhapa, Losan Chabi, Shabla Sowan Dep. I request Buddha Tsongkhapa to bless and watch over this child from evil, from black magic, negative influences, harm and sickness during the day and the night, 3 times. I request Buddha Tsongkhapa to bless and watch over this child from evil, black magic, negative influences, harm and sickness during the day and the night. I request Buddha Tsongkhapa to bless and watch over this child from evil, black magic, negative influences, harm and sickness during the day and the night. With your great enlightened energy, bless this child with what I have requested and more. By your blessings, may all enlightened beings and Dharma protectors bless this child. Say. I'll offer an oral transmission of Lama Tsongkhapa's short mantra to all the kids. Those who can recite, follow me. Those who cannot, listen. May the children grow up to have perfect intelligence, perfect minds, a mind that goes towards virtue and compassion. May they have great wisdom and excel in their studies. Oma ara baza nadi. Oma ara baza nadi. Oma ara baza nadi. The parents can receive from me also. Repeat again. You can give to your children. Om ara baza nadi. Repeat after me. Om ara baza nadi. Om ara baza nadi. Om ara baza nadi. This mantra I received from one of my great masters, Khyentse Gyaltsen Jampa Yeshe Rinpoche, in Bodh Gaya, and also from him in initiation in Ganden. So I pass it to you today. Now all of us, let's bless our child together and recite the mantra 1 round together. Oma ara baza nadi, 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 Oma ara baza nadi. Parents, after we finish reciting the mantra, don't talk, blow onto your children. If you have 2, 3 children, take a big breath. Okay? Just blow with a big breath. So let's recite 108 times, and you together with me bless your child. Let's do it. Omara baza nadi. 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 Omara baza. Omara baza nadi. Omara baza nadi. Omara baza nadi. Omara baza nadi. Omara baza. Omara baza nadi. 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 Omara bazanadi, 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 Omara bazanadi. May your child grow up to be protected and safe. Losan Drabi Shala Sawande, Mimete, Chinese, Jamaican. The Wamai Johnson Sawada, can you give it to the Mabo, Losan Drabi Shala Sawande? Mimete, Chinese, Jamaican, or Mojamayan. When the water falls on you, you should think the water goes into you and your child's body, expelling all negative energy. Think like that. Then if you think, oh, Rinpoche, why didn't you tell us when you're there? Think it will go in. All right, think it go in and the negative energy expel from your child. Think like that strongly. Very cute. dream again, my own Jamaya. To my Johnson, someone, can't give a judge about Los Angeles, Shala, someone there. May make a change in dream again, my own Jamaya. To my Johnson, someone, I can't give it. Los Angeles, Shala. May make a change in dream again, my own Jamaya. To my Johnson, someone, can't give a judge about Los Angeles, Shala, someone there. May make a change in dream again, my own Jamaya. To my Johnson, someone. Can't give a judging about Los Angeles, Shala, someone that may make a change in the dream chamber over Jamaican, to one my Johnson. Can't give a judging about Los Angeles, Shala, someone that may make a change in the cute. May make a change in the dream making over to one my Johnson, someone that can't give a judging about Los Angeles, Shala, someone there. May make a change in the dream making over. May make a change in the dream making over jump to one my Johnson, someone that can't give a judging about Los Angeles, Shala, someone. May make a change in the dream making over Jamaican to one my Johnson, bring my mother. May make a change in the dream making over Jamaican to one my Johnson, someone that Los Angeles, Shala, someone that this one's for her when she grows older. Today on Wesak Day, you remind her. May make a change in the dream making over Jamaican to one my Johnson, someone that can't give a judging about Los Angeles, Shala, someone that. Now, parents, your children have been baptized, and they are consecrated, and they are blessed. Please recite the mantra for them to keep up the blessing. Now let's do a dedication, and we're finished. Whatever beings throughout space are tormented in body and mind, through my merit, may they all receive oceans of comfort and joy. May no sentient beings be in pain. May no one act harmfully or be sick. May no one be terrorized or disparaged, and may no one be unhappy. May the blind attain eyes of sight. May the deaf always hear sounds, and easily in illusory drama. And may those pregnant give birth unharmed. May the naked receive clothes, the hungry find food. May those thirsty receive food and other delicious drinks. May the poor obtain wealth. May those destitute with sorrow attain happiness. May the exhausted be renewed, and may all consistently perfectly well. May the deities let fall timely rain. May the harvest be perfect. May medicines be endowed with power, and may practices of Vajrayana be accomplished. May sentient beings, whoever are sick, be swiftly cured of their illness. May all diseases of beings without exception never arise again. May the frightened become fearless. May those living in bondage be free. May the disempowered gain their rights, and may all live in mutual friendship. As long as space endures and sentient beings remain, remaining that long as well, may I dispel the sufferings of all beings. Just a little footnote. A few weeks ago, when I was composing this prayer, I was in my bedroom, my room, with Ben Kui, who was writing down the notes. And as we were composing this, a very light rain from a clear sky fell. We saw very clearly. There was no thunderclouds, there was nothing. Very lightly. And when we finished the composition, it rained very lightly. It wasn't even a rain, it was like a mist. And I took that as a very auspicious sign that this baptismal will benefit many, many beings in the future. We are finished. We are done for the baby baptismal. Remember, maintain the blessings. Show your children a good example, always. And engage in Dharma practice. When your children, as they grow, they observe you doing works for others, they will be convinced and they will grow up to do exactly what you do. All right? And recite the Manjushri mantra, Tsongkhapa, Omarabaza, same, for them every day, and ask them to recite without forcing them. Very, very good. I'm very happy and I'm very honored to have been able to consecrate and to bring so many children into protection of the Three Jewels. I wish you all a good, happy Wesak Day.